Robert, why can't hit that baby a girl? Anyway, but Robert, why man so wicked? And then can I come home and tell you, oh baby, I love you. You know, Evelyn, man. While they know so they in a relationship with somebody else. Why make you so wicked?
Is that what you mean?
Yeah. It's like, so me you live together every evening they come home and tell me say you love me. That the time they go there, I'll have one different family outside. I will not do it. I will not do it.
Look at the kind of question you're asking me.
What kind of question?
While women, they will be having internal private relationship with another man and be kissing his man on the same phone while she is naked in the bed having something with someone else and be kissing his own man on the phone, women at the same time.
Why you can't answer a question?
There are some questions you don't need to bring up at all.